There is no doubt that not all handymen can provide the same services, and the reason behind this problem is not having the right tool in the collection. So now, let's see the 10 coolest tools that every handyman should have. We know how often you were annoyed by screws that were in a tight space. Meet the great solution to all that issues. This Worx XTD screwdriver simply shortens the distance to the target. Besides, it's so handy, compact, and lightweight. The best pro of this driver is it features an extending shaft and offset design so that you can get easy access to recessed or hard-to-reach areas. And a built-in blue LED light illuminates the exact point you need to set the screw. Plus, the convenient battery provides high capacity without any memory effect or self-discharge, so it reaches those places where other tools don't dare. Okay, you are a professional trade person who regularly deals with leveling projects, right? These Crescent Lufkin levels come in handy to save you from going the extra mile. How? Well, these levels are designed with enlarged vials that provide improved visibility. Thanks to the aluminum frame and durable construction, you can use these levels for a wide variety of measuring and layout tasks. The cool feature of Lufkin levels is the rare earth magnetic base, which allows you to mount them anywhere on multiple applications. You'll get different size levels for your different project demands. Going to the construction site? Keep this Ox Pro adjustable T-square on your tool list to keep your project nice going. This tool is great for marking angles on plasterboard, plywood, fiber, cement, or any job site materials. With durable anodized aluminum construction, this T-square is built for years to come. You can adjust the sliding T-head between 0 and 180 degrees to handle tough markings with absolute accuracy. Another thing worth mentioning, this tool has a convenient collapsible design that allows quick folding down and store it easily in corners. Finally, the ABS end caps ensure maximum stability for hands-free use. What else could you ask for? How do you prevent injuries while maintaining a grip on demanding jobs? With plenty of function and style, the CLC 125 Handyman work gloves is the answer. From regular to all hazardous tasks, these handyman gloves keep your hands safe with their dynamic construction and patented design. In addition, they are as tough as they come. Thanks to the soft synthetic padded palm, you'll get unmatched comfort and strength, even in rough situations. Want to know a cool part? These CLC work gloves have 3 touch fingertips that let you use your phones and tabs without hassle. Keep these CLC gloves in the tool bag before leaving for the job site. Cords can be a real headache when working on the busiest job site. This is where the BOSCH GDS Cordless Impact Wrench comes into the field and changes the game. It produces up to 300 Newton meters of torque, so you can get the desired performance in the most challenging working conditions. Thanks to the auto bolt release mechanism, now you can operate with ultimate safety and maintain high accuracy. Plus, the lightweight design, powerful motor, and easy bit changing facility make the Impact Wrench an ideal choice for pros and enthusiasts. No wonder you'll get the comfort you want with the power you need. The next tool over here is the LENOX Speed Slot Hole Saw. You might need this LENOX Hole Saw if you're having trouble making perfect pilot holes on your surface. This hole saw provides you 2 times the durability for a huge lifespan. The best thing about this saw is that it is made with T3 technology and has larger teeth, so you can cut more efficiently, removing more wood per rotation. No matter which surface you're dealing with, the 10% thicker wall of this hole saw will provide you the strength and durability to cut through with ease. Even hardwoods are no more a challenge. Trying to glue 2 parts together but slipping, or sticking a picture to a mounting board but it curls? This wolfcraft handy spring clamp will save your day with great width and reliable clamping pressure. The combination of ergonomic 2-component handle, movable clamping jaws, and quality plastic design makes it perfect for working on any workpiece. One more pro of this spring clamp is the crosswise V-grooves at the right angle that secures the gripping for curved and smooth workpieces. So now, all your clamping tasks will get a reliable solution with absolute versatility. Let's be honest. You've always wanted a tool case that has the right tool for the assembly and repair of hybrid and electric vehicles near at hand. This Wiha Tool Case Set XL E-Mobility comes with the finest selection of tools for installation, commissioning, and maintenance. The case is equipped with gas pressure shock absorbers and has a durable construction to withstand the most demanding conditions. And the ergonomic 2-component handle is worth mentioning. You can transport it easily and comfortably. This fully equipped tool case will always have the right tool nearby. Meet your new helping hand to Swage in the cramped corner. This Hilmor compact Swage tool is a compact yet mighty solution that will take care of all your jobs with its handy streamlined design. It fits in the tightest spaces and allows you to work flawlessly. Thanks to its smooth lever mechanism and release button, you'll be able to create perfect one-handed swages without sweat and hand strain. This swage tool has substantial power to knock out standard-sized swages in one shot. Just attach the correct head and get the picture-perfect swage you need. Okay, we've talked about a bunch of tools here, but don't you need something to transport them? This CLC Charge Tool Backpack might be the thing you need. First, it has an integrated USB charging system for charging up your electronics on the go. Inside, you'll get 20 multi-use pockets. Outside, there are 3. It means you'll be able to organize a wide variety of hand tools there, even some compact power tools too. The vertical pockets keep tools in sight for quick access. Last but not least, the web-carrying handles and adjustable shoulder straps provide unparalleled comfort in walking from job to job. Carry more with less effort. So that was the list of the 10 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.